What new skill are you learning?
I am learning to play the guitar.
How do you start learning a new skill?
I start with small, simple steps.
How do you practice regularly?
I set aside 30 minutes every day.
How do you stay motivated while learning?
I remind myself of my goals and rewards.
How do you choose a new skill to learn?
I pick something useful or interesting.
How do you find learning resources?
I use books, videos, and online tutorials.
How do you track progress in learning?
I keep a journal of what I practice daily.
How do you overcome mistakes?
I learn from them and try again.
How do you practice effectively?
I focus on one part of the skill at a time.
How do you stay patient while learning?
I remember that progress takes time.
How do you manage learning with work or school?
I schedule specific times for practice.
How do you measure improvement?
I compare my current performance with previous attempts.
How do you learn from experts?
I watch tutorials and ask questions.
How do you enjoy the learning process?
I make it fun by experimenting and practicing.
How do you overcome challenges in learning?
I break them into smaller, manageable tasks.
How do you stay consistent?
I practice at the same time every day.
How do you get feedback?
I ask friends, teachers, or mentors to review my work.
How do you stay focused during practice?
I remove distractions and concentrate on one task.
How do you learn faster?
I focus on core concepts and repeat exercises.
How do you balance multiple skills?
I dedicate time to each skill and rotate practice sessions.
How do you choose practice topics?
I pick areas where I need the most improvement.
How do you enjoy learning online?
I watch interactive tutorials and try exercises.
How do you improve quickly?
I practice daily and review mistakes carefully.
How do you stay inspired?
I watch experts and read success stories.
How do you practice a new language?
I speak, listen, read, and write every day.
How do you practice drawing or painting?
I sketch daily and try new techniques.
How do you practice music?
I play scales and simple songs repeatedly.
How do you learn coding or programming?
I write small programs and solve exercises.
How do you track learning goals?
I write weekly targets and check progress.
How do you stay motivated when progress is slow?
I celebrate small achievements.
How do you organize practice time?
I divide time into short focused sessions.
How do you keep learning interesting?
I try different methods and fun exercises.
How do you handle frustration while learning?
I take short breaks and return calmly.
How do you learn from mistakes?
I analyze what went wrong and correct it.
How do you stay disciplined?
I follow a daily schedule strictly.
How do you learn cooking skills?
I follow recipes and practice regularly.
How do you learn sports skills?
I practice drills and watch tutorials.
How do you learn dance?
I watch videos and repeat the steps.
How do you learn photography?
I practice taking photos in different settings.
How do you learn public speaking?
I practice in front of a mirror and record myself.
How do you learn writing skills?
I write daily and read for improvement.
How do you learn time management skills?
I make schedules and track tasks.
How do you learn problem-solving skills?
I practice puzzles and real-life challenges.
How do you enjoy learning new skills?
I focus on fun parts and progress gradually.
How do you practice without distractions?
I find a quiet place and turn off my phone.
How do you stay committed to learning?
I set clear goals and remind myself daily.
How do you learn teamwork skills?
I work on projects with friends or colleagues.
How do you learn leadership skills?
I take responsibility in group activities.
How do you learn negotiation skills?
I practice discussions and role play scenarios.
How do you learn listening skills?
I focus carefully and take notes while listening.
How do you learn reading skills?
I read books daily and summarize them.
How do you learn memory skills?
I practice repeating and recalling information.
How do you learn critical thinking?
I analyze problems from different angles.
How do you learn decision-making skills?
I practice weighing options and consequences.
How do you learn to stay organized?
I use lists, planners, and reminders.
How do you learn self-discipline?
I follow routines and avoid distractions.
How do you learn to handle stress?
I practice relaxation and time management techniques.
How do you learn technical skills?
I follow tutorials and practice hands-on.
How do you learn soft skills?
I observe others and practice social interactions.
How do you learn leadership qualities?
I volunteer and guide small teams.
How do you learn creative skills?
I experiment with ideas and try new approaches.
How do you learn communication skills?
I practice speaking clearly and listening carefully.
How do you learn teamwork effectively?
I cooperate and share responsibilities with others.
How do you learn conflict resolution?
I practice calm discussions and compromise.
How do you enjoy learning something new?
I stay curious and try different approaches.
How do you learn presentation skills?
I practice slides and rehearse my speech.
How do you learn writing essays?
I outline, draft, and revise carefully.
How do you learn time-saving skills?
I plan tasks and use shortcuts efficiently.
How do you learn multitasking?
I practice handling small tasks simultaneously.
How do you learn leadership through experience?
I take initiative in group activities.
How do you learn self-confidence?
I practice skills regularly and review progress.
How do you learn teamwork through projects?
I contribute ideas and follow group plans.
How do you learn patience while practicing?
I remind myself that improvement takes time.
How do you learn persistence?
I continue practicing even after mistakes.
How do you learn from books?
I read, take notes, and apply the ideas.
How do you learn from mentors?
I ask questions and follow advice.
How do you enjoy practice sessions?
I make them short, fun, and focused.
How do you learn new skills online?
I follow video tutorials and interactive courses.
How do you learn languages?
I practice speaking, listening, and writing daily.
How do you learn computer skills?
I follow guides and do hands-on exercises.
How do you learn drawing skills?
I sketch daily and copy simple designs first.
How do you learn cooking skills effectively?
I practice recipes step by step.
How do you learn musical instruments?
I practice scales and simple songs every day.
How do you learn sports techniques?
I watch demonstrations and repeat movements.
How do you enjoy group learning?
I share ideas and help others practice.
How do you learn solo skills?
I focus on self-practice and set goals.
How do you manage practice time?
I divide time into focused sessions with breaks.
How do you track skill improvement?
I record videos or notes of progress.
How do you learn efficiently?
I focus on important parts and practice consistently.
How do you learn through trial and error?
I try different methods and note what works.
How do you learn problem-solving skills?
I practice puzzles and real-life situations.
How do you enjoy challenging tasks?
I break them into smaller steps and celebrate small wins.
How do you learn from failures?
I analyze mistakes and try again.
How do you learn creativity?
I experiment and think of new ideas daily.
How do you enjoy learning outdoors?
I practice skills like photography or sports outside.
How do you learn multitasking efficiently?
I prioritize tasks and practice managing them.
How do you learn planning skills?
I create schedules and set deadlines.
How do you learn organization skills?
I use lists, planners, and keep things tidy.
How do you enjoy learning alone?
I stay focused and set small goals.
What makes learning new skills enjoyable?
Curiosity, practice, and seeing progress make it enjoyable.